What are punctuation marks? Punctuation marks are symbols used in writing to clarify the meaning of sentences, to show pauses, and to organize information. Period. It marks the end of a sentence. It shows that a thought or statement is complete. It is also known as full stop. For example, she went to the school. I like to play football. Apostrophe. It shows possession. It also creates contractions or combining words. For example, don't for do not, can't for cannot. For example, that's Alex's book. It's raining outside. He can't come. Exclamation mark. It shows excitement or strong emotions. It is used to express strong feelings like surprise. For example, that was a great movie. What a beautiful dress. Wow, that's amazing. Comma. It separates parts of a sentence to make it easier to read. It is used before conjunctions or in lists. For example, I bought bananas, grapes, and mangoes. He is handsome, intelligent, and kind. Question mark. It is used at the end of a question. For example, how are you? Where is my pen? Slash. It is used in fractions or dates. It shows alternatives. For example, please bring your notebook or your notes. The answer is 7 by 10. The date is 2nd of January 2025. Brackets. It adds information or clarifies something in a sentence. For example, the concert was cancelled due to heavy rain. She will address the state tomorrow. Hyphen. It connects words or part of words. For example, he has 6-year-old sister. Please re-enter your password. Quotation marks. It is used to show someone's exact words. He said, I love playing. Let's go to the mall, she suggested. Colon. It introduces a list, explanation, or detail. It comes after a complete sentence. For example, I need the following items: a pen, a laptop, and a notebook. She had only one choice. Rethink. Dash. It is used to highlight important details, to add extra information, to indicate numbers, dates, and distances. For example, the train operates between 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. He was late again for the meeting. Parenthesis. It is used to provide extra details, to include clarifications or explanations, to add comments. For example, the World Health Organization has a global presence. The assignment was due on Wednesday. Ellipsis. It is used to show an incomplete idea, to create a sense of progression, to create suspense, to show omission, to indicate a pause. For example, she waited for him at the bus stop. Hours later, he arrived. The journey was very tiring. Semicolon. It is used to connect two closely related ideas in a sentence. It shows a pause. It is used to separate items in a detailed list. Uses of a semicolon. To join two related sentences, we use semicolon to connect two complete sentences that are closely related in meaning. No conjunction like and or but is needed. For example, I wanted to go to the park. It started raining. He loves to play. She prefers to read. Before linking words like however, therefore, or meanwhile, use a semicolon before these words when they connect to complete sentences. For example, he was hungry. However, there was no food. I like sweets. Therefore, I bought a pastry. She wanted to join the team. Meanwhile, they had already started. To separate items in a detailed list, use a semicolon in a list when the items have commas within them. For example, we traveled to Germany, Japan, France, and Italy. Other symbols used in English language are at, percent, ampersand, equals.